Good morning, little ones. Welcome back to online sessions. I believe you all are doing great and you all have enjoyed your holidays. Welcome back to the math sessions. In previous class, we have studied lesson number 5, that was addition 1 to 19. We added the numbers from 1 to 19. Today we will be learning the further part of the same lesson. Children, if you all remember, we have finished up to exercise number 4 and today I will be teaching you some exercise 5. So let us start with the session. Before starting the session, I request you all to open the page number 73 from your maths textbook. Let us start with the exercise. Exercise 5. You all can see the heading of the exercise is exercise 5. And here at the top right corner you all can write the today's date. Today is 2nd November NOV 2020, that is 2020. Once you finish with writing date, let us start with the vertical addition. Children, you all can see here A. In this A, they have given a vertical addition, that is add by forward counting. Remember to keep the bigger number in your mind. What they have told you to do is you all have to keep the bigger number in your mind and you all have to keep on counting forward. So same I will be doing with the help of this example. Here they have provided number 10. So what is the bigger number here in between these two number 10 and 2? The bigger number is 10. 10 will be there. 10 plus 2 is there. So 10. How many I have to add, children? 2 I have to add with a 10. So 10 plus 2. 10, 11, 12. So what I did a brain work here. I kept the 10 in my mind and I started counting forward numbers. So my answer is 12. So here I will write the answer. In the same way, go for the B. Now you all can see 10 and 6 are there. There are two numbers. One is a 10 and second one is a 6. So the bigger number is 10. I will be keeping this bigger number in my mind and I will add by counting forward. I will be doing a forward counting here. So 10. How many I have to add with the 10, children? 6. 10 is the last number, that is a bigger. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So along with this 10, how many I have added, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the value when you add the 6 to the 10? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the sum will be 16. What is the sum, children? 16. So here I am going to write in the given box. In the same way, you all can count forward for the 7 plus 10. So here the bigger number is given at the bottom. You all have to take that bigger number in your mind. Let me take this bigger number in my mind. So I have taken it. Along with that, how many I have to add? 7. So you all can see there is a 7. So 10. Already I have a 10 in my mind. So I will be counting the forward numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what is the sum of the two numbers? 17. So here I will be writing in the same way in the given box. So children, like this way, with the help of object, you all can solve the given problems. Take it as a worksheet for today's date. And now, I request you all to turn your page and come to page number 74. In this page number 74, they have introduced a new concept. What is that new concept? Adding three numbers. Here, we will be learning to add the three numbers at a time. Here they have given the example also. Let me go with the example. Ranjana ate biscuits. 3 in the morning, 4 in the afternoon and 5 in the evening. So there is a small girl called Ranjana. She ate a biscuits. In the morning, she ate 3 biscuits. In the afternoon, she ate 4 biscuits. And in the evening, she had 5 biscuits. Now, how will you calculate this? How will you be finding a sum? That all three numbers, you all have to keep it in the vertical way. So, how many biscuits did she eat in all? So here, with the help of the example also you can count. See, 3 in the morning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So when I add 3 plus 4 plus 5, the value will be 12. The sum will be 12. How many biscuits did she eat in all? She ate 3 plus 4 plus 5 biscuits. You can add 3 and 4 first. First, what you can do, children? First, you all have to add the beginning two numbers. The starting two numbers first you have to add and you will get the sum. In that sum, you all have to count forward the next value. Example, you can add 3 and 4 first. That is 3 plus 4 is 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. So when I add the beginning two numbers, the value will be 7. Now the largest number is 7. 7. How much I have to add with the 7? 5. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the value will be 12. The sum of the three numbers is 12. It will be kept in the following way. You can also add 4 and 5 first. You can also add the 4 and 5 first. Means the downline numbers are there. You can add those also in the first term. Now, they have given some examples here. You all have to do these examples with the help of this concept explanation. Now, I will be going with the one example. That is exercise 6A. Add. They have given the numbers in the vertical format. You just need to add. So what are the numbers here? Let us read. First number is 4, second is 6 and third will be 5. So 4 is there. With the 4, how much I have to add, children? 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you add 4 with the 6, this 4 you all have to add with the 6. So what is the value? 10 is the value. When you add these two numbers, you get 10. So this is the value which I have got when I added the two numbers. Now the largest number is 10. 10 With this number, which number the next number should be added? That is 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 5, when you add it to the 10, the value is 15. So you all can write in the given blank. In the same way, you all can calculate for the B. Now in this, you all can add any two numbers first. Here I will take the biggest number. The biggest number is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. The value is 3. So with the 8, how much I added initially? 3 added. 8, 9, 10. So 10, 11, 12. So the value is 12. I believe you all have understood the concept and do the exercise given below. Thank you. Have a nice day.